Hello there, this is Jonathan Moffat here, Application Scientist for Oxford Instruments Asylum Research. Today I want to give you a very brief guided tour of the measurement cell on our environmental scanner on the Cypher platform. So the measurement cell gives excellent control over the environmental conditions for your AFM measurement. So what we're looking at now is a bird's eye view of the measurement cell, and we're looking down into the cell. So this gold part here is the cantilever. It's attached to this unit here, which is the holder, and directly underneath here is the sample. So this particular holder has ports for tubing to allow exchange of liquid during a measurement. There's also the possibility to exchange gas using these tubes here. So I'm going to access the sample area, and to do that I remove the cantilever holder, which is essentially acting as the lid of our measurement cell. So I loosen these two screws, twist the cantilever holder off, and now I've got access to the sample. The sample sits on a stage which can be exchanged for a heater, giving you a range of 0 to 250 on the instrument. There are ports here for electrical connection to your sample, for example if you want to bias or ground your sample during a measurement. So I'm just going to set up for a liquid-based measurement, so I introduce somewhere between 50 to 100 microliters of liquid onto my sample. I then replace the cantilever holder, like so, twist, and then seal. So now by tightening these screws I've now got a fully airtight cell. For liquid measurements this is ideal because it prevents evaporation and minimises spillage, giving you a very stable measurement over a long period of time. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.